let's look at the SPY. As we know, last week we closed below the 20-day moving average for the first time in a while, and it was my thought that we were likely to head down towards the 50-day moving average. I didn't want to sell short a rally to the 5-day moving average. In fact, I had gotten long in here, and instead, what we wanted to see if we were going to short was if it was going to break below some support, one of these higher lows. Instead, it continued to rally. There was a beautiful trade in here on Wednesday, and then it pulled back precisely to the 5-day moving average and off the high. It bounced yesterday afternoon and followed through today. This morning, we saw that follow through occurred with a perfect chase the gap or wait for VWAP. And this is why I talk about strategies all the time, because this is what we want to see the market happen. It gaps up, you don't chase that gap, but as it reclaims the volume weighted average price here, this was a chapter in the Anchored VWAP book as well, with a stop under here. This was a midday shakeout and then another touch of the VWAP. So going into next week, the S&P looks like it's probably headed to a new all-time high. I'm not thinking that we're going to get the super strong momentum to the upside, though. I'm thinking more we're going to kind of get stuck in a range. And the good news is we had so much news coming out from earnings that are going to show us where the individual stock winners are.